Hey everyone, it's Brianna with WTI, and this is my book Nook by Tonecheer. It's the Travel in Venice version.
This book nook set is made up of pre-printed wood pieces that you just pop out in a symbol, and the print quality is really fantastic, and the pieces all fit together really well. I think that this set really captures a little canal in Venice, down to the shape of the windows, and all the different shutters are unique that you get to attach. The instructions are very simple and well illustrated, and even though it is a challenge since you're working with really small pieces, I think even younger ones in the family would be able to help out and have a great time with you. This is the first book nook I've made that has a sensor light, which is really cool and very responsive, so it will only light up when you're in the room to appreciate it. And I think my favorite effect is the mirror that you add at the end. It makes it look like the canal is curving off to the left, and the signs actually have reversed backsides, so it looks like different little shops further down the canal. So it's really pretty. It's like its own little world inside this book nook, and it is sure to fascinate anyone who looks into it.
This book Nook was so fun to put together for my husband and I. It brought back really nice memories of when we were able to travel to Venice. And honestly, this is better than any souvenir we bought over there. So I highly recommend getting this book Nook. I think it's beautiful and so well made, and I think it's going to look great on your bookshelf. But that's just my point of view.